Candle factories don't want you to know this. Your home extremely fragrant, no flies and mosquitoes, using only this, folks. It is amazing. So guys, here's the thing. I got 5 candles here, right? I'm gonna put it in a pan and turn it on over low heat. And stir continuously until they all melt, alright? But keep an eye out, because they melt really fast. Okay, so you melted all the candles, right? Now you can turn off the heat. And you see these strings here? I'm gonna remove them very carefully and put it on a plate. But let's not throw it away. Just set it aside for now, and we're gonna use it later. Now, here's the thing. I'm gonna use 2 round containers. It can be plastic, glass, ceramic. Just go ahead and pour in the melted paraffin very carefully, okay? And now we're gonna need a citronella essence. For those who don't know, citronella is a plant that works as a natural repellent. Even indigenous people use this natural resource. They take the plant and apply it on their skin, so it's really effective. And here, we're gonna add 1 coffee spoon to each container. Okay, so put it here. Give it a nice mix. And now, as an option, I'm gonna add food coloring here. I'm gonna use yellow to match the essence color, but just for aesthetics. So it's totally optional. It's not really necessary if you don't want to. But it's much more elegant, isn't it? Now let's mix it up really well. And here's the thing. Remember the strings? Now you trim them a little bit and put it on a peg. Then place it right in the center, alright? Put it here. And do the same with the other one. And now just wait for it to harden. And here we are. After a couple minutes, folks, it is finally ready. You can see it's pretty solid. Then just trim the wick a little more and it's ready to use. And for this, you have basically 2 options here. You can use it just like that, inside a nice little container. Or you can just go ahead and take it off and use it this way. It's very fancy. You can give it to someone as a little gift. You can also decorate your home. You can make it to sell too. A lot of people do that actually. And if you know this product, you also probably know it can be a little pricey sometimes at the stores. Here, I also made one with eucalyptus essence. Check it out. It smells great too, and I didn't even add coloring to this one, so you can use whatever essence you prefer. But today's tip is the citronella one. Besides leaving the house smelling good, it will also keep away all the mosquitoes and flies. So that's it, guys. Try it at home. I'm pretty sure you're gonna totally love this.